What's up, guys? Welcome to Cara's Cucina. I'm Cara Di Falco. We are celebrating Memorial Day weekend with a great grilling recipe for you. I am going to show you how to make a delicious marinated chicken. Great food isn't just about good ingredients and knowing how to cook. It's about telling the story of the food. This is a super simple marinade for chicken. It comes out delicious on the grill or even in the oven or on a pan, however you want to cook it. But really great way to kind of celebrate this kickoff to the barbecuing season. So really simple ingredients here. I have 1 cup of medium salsa. So all the chopping, the prep work's already done for you. So it's kind of a kitchen hack, one of my favorites. But just some nice fresh salsa, about 1 cup again. A tablespoon of olive oil, a tablespoon and a half of apple cider vinegar for a little punch. And we're going to use a teaspoon and a half of Saison style seasoning. I make my own at home these days to try to avoid the MSG and the other stuff that's in the store-bought ones, but if you want to use a store-bought one, just use 1 packet of the store-bought stuff and you can toss it into your marinade. So we're going to put all of these things into our blender, and I have about 1.5 pounds of chicken here. This marinade will cover about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken. I've already got everything in my zip baggie ready to roll. We're gonna pour our marinade right into our bag over the chicken. We're gonna seal this up. Make sure all of your chicken is nice and coated in your marinade. Give it a nice little massage, if you will. Okay, and then we're gonna let this lay out flat. And if you're gonna be grilling right away, leave it on the counter at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. If you want though, you can do this the night before and let it sit in the refrigerator overnight and really get those flavors into that chicken. So again, minimum of 30 minutes and up to overnight if you want to prep for your Memorial Day barbecue. Our grill pan is nice and hot. I know we said we were barbecuing. Unfortunately, as we're taping this today, it's raining, so we're grilling inside, but it works either way. And our chicken is marinated, so we are going to get this cooked up. And obviously your cook time depends on what pieces of chicken you use. I'm just using some cutlets here that I made from some chicken breasts that I bought. And these won't take too long, but we'll get them nice and grilled up, some nice marks on there. Top your grilled chicken with a little bit of fresh cilantro and serve this for your Memorial Day barbecue or anytime. It also makes a great dinner if you want to serve it over some rice with a salad. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. We really like this for the summertime in my family, so I'm happy to share it with you. You can find the recipe, written recipe, at caradifalco.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and you can always follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram at Cara Di Falco. That's it for this week in the Cucina. I'll see you guys next time. Bon appetit. Happy Memorial Day, everyone.